Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of Exor, the powerhouse holding company controlled by the Agnelli family. From humble beginnings in the car industry to becoming a diversified global investment giant, Exor is a case study in how legacy, vision, and bold strategy can build an empire. It all began in 1899 when Giovanni Agnelli co-founded Fiat in Turin, Italy. What started as a small automotive venture soon became the heartbeat of Italian industry. But the Agnelli family didn't stop at cars. By the early 20th century, they were expanding into media, manufacturing, real estate, and finance, planting the seeds of a multi-generational empire. To manage this growing portfolio, they created a formal holding company, the foundation of what we now know as Exor. In 2009, Exor was officially formed by merging the family's previous investment vehicles. Under the leadership of John Elkann, Giovanni's great-great-grandson, the company was reimagined as a global investment platform. This wasn't just about preserving wealth, it was about growth, evolution, and transforming a century-old industrial base into a modern conglomerate. Cars remain at Exor's core. Their stake in Ferrari preserves ties to one of the world's most prestigious luxury brands. Through Stellantis, Exor holds influence over a global automotive giant formed from the merger of Fiat Chrysler and PSA Group. They also control CNH Industrial, specializing in heavy machinery, trucks, and agricultural equipment, an anchor in global infrastructure and logistics. Exor didn't stop with cars. The company strategically expanded into healthcare, investing in innovative health technology and medical services. In luxury fashion, they acquired a significant stake in Christian Louboutin, entering the high-end retail space. Exor also owns stakes in media and publishing, such as The Economist, maintaining a voice in global information. And let's not forget sports. They've owned Juventus Football Club for over a century, blending business with culture and legacy. Exor follows a simple but powerful formula: focus on companies with strong leadership, global potential, and room for long-term growth. By reinvesting profits from their automotive roots into healthcare, fashion, media, and technology, they've reduced risk and expanded their reach. Their disciplined approach has steadily grown their net asset value while maintaining the family's influence across industries. From building cars in Turin to shaping industries worldwide, Exor shows how a family business can evolve into a modern investment powerhouse. With strong roots, visionary leadership, and a bold diversification strategy, they've turned legacy into leverage and secured their place as one of the world's most intriguing conglomerates. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Exor's rise, hit like, subscribe, and comment below which company you'd like me to cover next.
Exor on the daily chart, series of higher highs and higher lows, currently trading right against that 200 moving average on the daily chart. We do have a single symmetry support. This is more of a long-term play. This is not something you want to be in and out of. If you buy the stock, just hold it on to long term and looking for the dividends collect, also selling cover calls. Looking at their website, you can see Exor is involved in all these different companies. From automobile, we have real estate, we have insurance, we have healthcare now. They're all over the board. Taking a quick look at their fundamentals, 2021, 33 billion euros, 2022, 41 billion, 2023, 44.7 billion. You can see that net income, 4.2 billion euro. So what you can do, not financial advice, this is a long-term play. All you're doing is just buying stock. You can see the chart is very, very choppy. There isn't a lot of volume in the stock. So you're just buying the stock and just holding it for long term. The symbol is EXXRF.